In this guide, you'll learn how to fix the your request is pending error on Instagram. If you have ever gone to follow someone on Instagram and encounter a message saying your request is pending, it could be due to a few different reasons. You might see a message like your request is pending. Some accounts prefer manually reviewing followers or just a general pending notification. One of the most common reasons for this error is that you have tried to follow too many accounts in a short amount of time. Instagram has a limit for how many accounts you can follow. For established accounts, the limit is typically between 100 to 200 follows per day. For new accounts, it's around 50 to 100 follows per day. If you exceed that, you might encounter this error. If that's the case, the best solution is simply to wait until the next day or a couple of days later, and the issue should resolve itself. However, if this is not the issue, you can check Instagram status. For that, launch your Instagram. Navigate to Settings and Activity page, scroll down and head over to the option Status. If there are any issues or restrictions on your account, like limitations on following people or having others follow you, they will appear here. If you see any violations related to community guidelines or other issues, Instagram will give you the option to review or appeal the violation. Going through this process may help get the restriction lifted so you can start following accounts again. That's it. This guide was helpful. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.